Okay folks, today we're going to be installing, well you can read that, but it's the Lamonster Garage top cuff. As you can see, I already have this installed on the bike on one side, and we're going to install this one on the other side because I liked it so much. Didn't want to buy a pair without giving it a shot. Once again, there's a voiceover, sorry. So this one's already installed. It's got the ram ball mount on it. Nothing else really, just the ram ball. Currently use it for GoPros and stuff, but maybe in the future I'll use it to install GPS or something. So, like I said, it's not stock, but it does the job. Pop that pin out and you can install mirrors. That's what you can install, that mirrors. And that silver screw is just there to cover up the hole. So that's the factory one. I've already loosened it up. As you can tell, if it's loose, your grip is gonna move around. So the key thing is make sure that when this is all done, that thing doesn't shake like that. There's an Allen bolt, two Allen bolts underneath, not Torx. So that bottom one, as you can see right there, there's two Allen bolts. It's all that holds your grip on. It is cast metal, so be careful. All right, so this is the new one. There's the Allen bolts. So you need an Allen key, not a Torx, an Allen key. I know it's kind of strange. This is the one part on here that doesn't use Torx. That's the centering pin. There's a hole underneath there, and that's where that has to go. And it'll center the grip on there. It's really not that complicated. You just gotta put that pin into the hole and then clamp it down. It's the clamping force that keeps you grip onto the handlebar itself. So here it is removed. There you can see the mounting bolt, and where that slot is, right inside there, there's another hole in the grip. This is the original, and you can see it's cast in there. On this one, it's an Allen screw. On that one, the new one. And that's the bottom. You can tell it's got a groove in it. The groove is there for the wires that come out of that cluster there on your left. So I pre-Loctited the bolts, so it's best to have everything ready to go all at the same time, having the Allen key handy. So got the bottom in with the Loctited bolts. Now I'm just going to grab the top cuff, the new one. I'm going to visually try to line up the hole in the grip with the hole in the handlebar, and then just drop it in. And then it's not complicated, but you got to hold the bolts up and then center that top in there. I don't know why I'm checking the phone mount, but whatever. So I'm just jiggling everything around, trying to make sure that those two holes are still lined up, which they're not. Try to recenter it, and it should pop in here any second. Like I said, it's just boom, it's home. So that Allen key is now in the hole. Grab that Allen key right there, and then just start tightening up. And believe it or not, once you tighten up these two bolts, it's done. I don't have a torque specification for this, and I don't remember what size Allen key. But once it's in, it's in. And then if you bought it with the ram ball mount, there it is. Pick what hole you want to install it in. There's one on the top. That's the one with the silver screw already in it. There's one on the front, one on the back, and one on the top. And that's it. It's installed. That's where you could, like I said, you could put new mirrors on there. And Lamonster sells a whole bunch of accessories you could screw in there, like cup holders and stuff. But now it's installed. Like I said, make sure you use Loctite, because if those come loose, your handlebars, your grips will come flying off your bike.